There is some burning, but that's not good. Hello, welcome back to my bathroom, because I guess that's what I do now. So, I am going to nair for the first time. I'm like bending over because when I'm actually going to nair my legs, I want you to see it. So I've never done nair, and whenever it's referenced in like a movie or a TV show, it's always burns. Do not at me for liking this movie, but one of my favorite movies ever is Fun Size with Victoria Justice. Hello, Phoebe. Like I was saying, one of my favorite movies is Fun Size with Victoria Justice. Do not at me, do not try to change my mind because it won't work. For some reason, I just absolutely love that movie. And in that movie, Victoria Justice's friend nairs her butt, and she said it burns. So that's like the only thing I ever hear about nair, so I'm a little bit nervous. But this has soothing aloe and lanolin. Do not exceed for 10 minutes. Okay, gently wipe off lotion and hair with a damp washcloth. Do not rub. Do not rub. Once all hair has been removed, rinse skin thoroughly with lukewarm water in the shower. Pat dry. So it doesn't say to wet your legs beforehand, so I am just going to... Oh my god, it says you can use it on your bikini area. That's kind of spooky. Yep. There it is. They're pretty rough. It actually, does that not show up on camera very well? Oh, there you go. I'm kind of nervous. Okay. 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 Oh, I better get my phone ready for setting the 3-minute timer. Wow, it's cold. It's cold. Wow, that's a really cold thing. Okay, it says don't rub. It says don't rub. Okay, am I doing too much? My ankles are hairy. Oh god, yeah, it says don't rub, right? Do not rub. Just spread like butter on toast. Like pat. Can I pat? Oh god, I should have toned my calves before I did this video. Do not rub in, just thick. Now I'm gonna do this leg. Oh no, my pants string. I gotta tuck it in. Ooh. Okay. Now I feel the need. Oh no, should I start the 3 minutes now? Oh no, oh god, bad things are happening. Okay, it's okay. God, that's very, oh god, that's cold. Okay, don't rub, just. Oh god, my knees are hairy. Okay, so I'm not feeling burning on my other leg. There is some burning. Okay, wash hands immediately. Okay, 3 minutes. I mean, okay, it's already been a little bit more for the other leg. Should I have done more? I don't feel anything, and I also didn't get my knee on the other one. Is it supposed to look like something? I kind of feel some tingling on this one. Maybe, I think I put more on the second one. It doesn't burn. There is some burning. I mean, not that I want it to burn, but that's what I was preparing myself for, but now I just feel like it's not working. There is some burning. Do not brush against my leg, Phoebe. No. No, 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 no. No. No leg. No leg. Phoebe! No leg. No leg. No leg. I scared her. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just don't want your beautiful hair to fall out or you get poisoned. Oh, it says don't rub in. Oh my god. Some hair came out. You guys, I'm freaking serious. I am disgusting, you guys. I'm sorry. Look, this little spot. I did this spot and look, there's some hairs. There's some missing hairs right there. And it's not burning at all. Oh my god, oh my god. There is some burning. Here we go. So, do I go up or down? My hair just came off. My hair is coming off. How have I not done this before? I cannot believe it worked and it doesn't burn. I mean, I wonder if that's an after effect or something. There is some burning. Okay, there's some little hairs that didn't come out, but that's okay. They're just stubborn. Okay, that is insane. I gotta do the other leg. Can't be more than 10 minutes. Ow, 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 ow. This leg's looking a little red. There is some burning. What is in that makes your hair just fall out? That cannot be good. There is some burning. Okay, it's burning in some spots. There's a little sting. It just kind of feels like razor burn. There is some burning. Okay, I can see my legs are a little red. There is some burning. Pat dry. Do you think there's someone out there whose name is Pat Dry? Because they're on a lot of instructions. Pat Dry. Pat Dry. I don't know if it was a closer shave than shaving. Like it's a little red, a little irritated, but it worked. Maybe I'll try it again. I think it's safe to say that I'm not going to do that again. I don't know if it was easier than shaving. But I guess we'll see, like, because the reason why people do this is it's supposed to last longer than shaving. So maybe I'll see if that's actually the case. I see the burning now. It's not really burning. It just feels like if I dry razored my legs, like did not use soap or water or anything. I'm kind of impressed though. I might actually do that again and then learn from my mistakes because, you know, that's what I do. I think it's safe to say that I'm not going to do that again. Okay, so update. Just got out of the shower. Don't pay attention to me. Also, I have a towel on, just in case you were wondering. There is some burning. Just got out of the shower. There was quite a bit of burning, you know, when I was, you know, there was soap happening and shampoo and stuff. And this one is a little, it's more burny and it's a little red. I think it's because I left this one on a little bit longer. Okay, don't look at my face. I'm naked again, I'm sorry. Another update. So this is 2 days later and I didn't realize how bad it was, but it looks like actual burns, like scabby burns. That sounds like someone's scary name, scabby burns. But like, that looks bad. They look like tiny scabs, and this one's not bad. There's just this chunk right here, but that's not good. Like, that's Like, I didn't realize it was that bad. So, I think it's safe to say that I'm not going to do that again. So, yeah, not sure what to do. Oh God, it's really bad up here too. I didn't even notice that. Oh my God. It's like tiny, like scrape scabs. Oh my God, Phoebe. Oh, what a cute little gerbil. That's so cute. What a cute little gerbil. What are we gonna do about my scab legs? I wonder if it's like a chemical burn or, oh my God. It looks bad and I still have hairs. Okay, so at first I was not minding it and now it's a no-go. So no, 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 don't do it. Yes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye. Say bye, Phoebe. Say bye, Phoebe. Oh my God, she actually waved. Good girl.